Welcome to Talkin' Tale, the cozy place to enjoy English stories, learn simple words, and relax while getting better at listening. Let's begin today's tale. From Dishwasher to AI King, the incredible journey of Jensen Huang. A name you should know. Meet Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, the man behind AI chips powering ChatGPT, gaming, and supercomputers. From humble beginnings, he rose to lead the world's most important and valuable tech company. Born in Asia, raised by dreams. Born in Taiwan in 1963, Jensen moved to Thailand, then later to the U.S. as a child. He learned English and adapted quickly. His early life was full of change, but it made him flexible and focused. The Dishwasher chapter. At just 15, Jensen worked as a dishwasher at Denny's to support himself in school. He cleaned tables, washed dishes, and never complained. That job taught him discipline, responsibility, and humility. The curious mind. He loved science and math. At Oregon State University, he studied electrical engineering. His deep curiosity about graphics and computing shaped his career path from the very beginning. Silicon Valley calling. After a master's degree at Stanford, Jensen entered the tech industry. He worked at LSI Logic and AMD, roles that gave him insights into chips, speed, and what would come next. The birth of NVIDIA. In 1993, with two friends, he co-founded NVIDIA. Their goal was to build the most powerful graphics chip. It was risky, no safety net, no guarantee of success, but they believed in their mission. Early struggles. NVIDIA's first chips didn't impress. Competitors were faster. Money was tight. Investors doubted the vision. Jensen had to rebuild trust and keep his team inspired through it. Breakthrough moment. In 1999, NVIDIA launched GeForce 256, the world's first GPU. It changed gaming forever. Now, NVIDIA wasn't just another chip maker. It became the leader in graphics technology and performance. The gamer CEO. Jensen wasn't just a tech leader. He was a gamer, too. He understood what players needed: speed, clarity, smooth visuals. That personal passion gave NVIDIA a strong competitive edge. Reinventing the company. In 2006, Jensen led NVIDIA into new territory: parallel computing. It was bold. The world didn't see the value yet, but he saw GPUs beyond games, as tools for solving complex problems. Betting on AI. While others chased mobile tech, Jensen bet on artificial intelligence.
He built chips for researchers and scientists. That risk made NVIDIA central to today's AI revolution. The rise with ChatGPT. In 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT. It amazed the world, and it ran on NVIDIA GPUs. Jensen's vision became global infrastructure. His decades of belief finally paid off at massive scale.
Billionaire in a leather jacket. Always seen in his black leather jacket, Jensen became an icon of modern tech. Calm, smart, and cool. Not flashy, but unforgettable. A symbol of steady leadership in a high-speed industry. Leading with vision. Jensen doesn't just lead a company, he helps shape future industries. From self-driving cars to medical science, his vision goes far beyond gaming. He builds the future one idea at a time. Challenges never stop. Even now, he faces strong competition, chip shortages, and global politics. But Jensen stays focused and calm. He reminds us, never give up what you truly believe in, no matter what. Legacy in the making. From a small boy in Taiwan to king of AI chips, Jensen's journey proves what belief, learning, and effort can do. And even today, he's not finished. His legacy continues to be written. What we learn from Jensen Huang: success takes time. Stay curious, work hard, take risks, adapt fast. Whether washing dishes or building chips, your path is yours to create. Jensen proves dreams are possible.